Today we are interested in looking at lists in Python. And to get started, we have a list here of cars: a Mack, a BMW, a Toyota, a Mazda, a Subaru, and this list can go on and on depending with what we are interested in capturing. And so there is no minimum or the maximum number of cars that you'd want to have in your list. What is important is you have the list that you want to work with. So this is the list we are going to use, and I can print out the list of the cars that I have, and the list will appear there. I want to find out which is the last element in that list of cars. I'll say print cars, square bracket, -1. And if I want to find out the first one, which is a mark, and then I say dot title, it will give the list in meaning the first letter is a capital M because it's a title case, and then the last one. So when you say -1, you start from the last. When you say 0, you start from the first because Python numbers elements from 0. So if I want to change from Mark to Mercedes, I'll have the list there with me. I say cars 0 is equals to Mercedes, and then I say print cars, and there I can see that I've changed from Mark to Mercedes. What about if I want to add elements? Cars.append Audi, cars.append Tesla. So in the list of the last element was Subaru, followed by Audi, and then Tesla, as I requested the the command with the command I gave there. Or I can delete an element in position 2, Mercedes in 0, BMW 1, Toyota 2. So if I say del cars, that is delete cars, so it will delete the Toyota. Now you can see my list does not have Toyotas. Or I can delete with the name if I don't know the position, cars.remove, and then I tell it to remove the BMW. And what it does is now it will also remove the BMW from the list. And now you see the list has reduced to 5 from the original 7. Sorting a list in alphabetical order, class.sort, and that's what it will do, exactly what you want. It will sort it. Or you can reverse the order of sorting. You start from Z going to A, and so you say class.reverse, and then you print, you're able to see that. You can find out how many elements are in that list. You can say the len for length, class, and it will tell you there are 5. Now I want to introduce what we call the f string, whereby we say print then f double quotes. The first car I owned was a cars in -1, and we know that the cars in -1 is the last car, which is a wood there. And my current car is in -2. The next car after Audi in the list would be -2, starting from my right hand side, which is a Mazda. So it is say that my first car I owned was a Audi, and my current car is a Mazda. And I said dot upper so that everything becomes an uppercase. I can also loop through a list for car in cars. Remember, my list is called car, so I'm looking for one car in that, and it's going to print for me an individual car among my list of cars. Or I can bring in the F string in a loop also. I can say for car in cars print F. I love the car. I love the car. Uh, I love a car by the model Subaru. So what it does is it's going to put in I love a car by the model Tesla. So it will tell me I love this car from this model or Subaru, and so on and so forth. So this is the basic idea behind loops in list, and also generally the list in Python. and thank you for watching.